Welcome aboard, fellow travelers. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey through the dynamic world of the airline industry. Buckle up as we take off into the skies and explore the fascinating functions that keep this industry soaring. The airline industry is a crucial component of our interconnected world, facilitating travel, trade, and tourism on a global scale. But how exactly does it all work? Let's break it down. First up, we have airline operations. This includes everything from flight planning and scheduling to aircraft maintenance and ground operations. It's the behind-the-scenes magic that ensures your flight takes off smoothly and safely. Next, we have airport management. Airports are like bustling cities of their own, with teams working round the clock to manage everything from passenger terminals to runways and air traffic control towers. Of course, we can't forget the heart and soul of the industry, the airline crew. From pilots and flight attendants to ground staff and engineers, these dedicated professionals keep our skies safe and our journeys comfortable. And let's not overlook the technological marvels that power modern aviation. From state-of-the-art aircraft to advanced navigation systems and groundbreaking innovations in sustainability, the airline industry is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But it's not all smooth sailing. The airline industry faces its fair share of challenges, from economic fluctuations and regulatory hurdles to environmental concerns and global crises. Yet through resilience and innovation, it continues to adapt and evolve. So whether you're a frequent flyer, an aviation enthusiast, or simply curious about how the world stays connected, the airline industry offers a fascinating glimpse into the possibilities of human ingenuity and collaboration. That's all for today's journey through the airline industry. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Until next time, happy travels.